me, Jesse Arnold here. I was just showing you today that the tutorial how to sign up and log in for your Roblox account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, you download Roblox on the Play Store, on the Apple Store, on their App Store. You download it and just push sign up. Then you put your birthday, not your real birthday, guys, not your real birthday. So April 8th of 2005. Okay, that worked. That was your guys. Don't use your real name. So let's see, Jesse. Jesse underscore let's see. Let's see, gamer YT. Okay. Oh, Jesse gamer YT is already used. You can't use somebody's thing. You can't use someone's thing because Alright, let's see. Yeah. Let's try. Let's all try that. Let's try gamer. Gamers. Star. 27. Gamer star. Let's try. Cool. Cool boy. Let's try cool boy. JJ. Gamer. TV. Look, it looks great. So now is your password. And guys, you don't know my password, so hang on a second. Okay, and you press whatever you like. You press male or female, and then you sign up. And I think it will give you a verification. So once you do that, I think it will work. See, validating, registering, and that's how you do it. Yeah. And see, I did my own account. You can do whatever you want. But now, I'm going to show you how to log in. How to log in into your Roblox account. This thing is loading real quick. And yeah, and at the end of this video, subscribe to my channel and be sure to like this video if you'd like it about the tutorial. And my YouTube channel is, of course, Jesse Arnold. So let me show you the login. Let's see. Cool boy. I always do that. Cool boy. JJ. Underscore. Gamer. TV. And your password is this. and you log in. And it should log you in, or is it if your password is incorrect or your login's incorrect. And that's how you do it, guys. I thank you for doing this today. And that's how you log in and make an account, and that's how you sign up for an account. And guys, I thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.